Welcome friends. In today's video I am going to show you how you can create a professional looking aesthetic profile picture or DP for any social media profiles such as Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, Twitter or any other that stand out from the crowd and bring more attention to your profile. Cool Enemy or Among Us or any game profile picture can be made. For this, I am using a website known as PFP Maker. Its link is in description, you can check it out. The interface is nicely designed, you can test it with a demo picture or emoji. To create a unique profile picture, click on the big plus icon. From there, upload a picture. I am taking this man with beard. You can choose your own or any other object. After selection, it will take some time for generation of profile picture. In the meantime, you can subscribe to the channel for such amazing and knowledgeable content and press the bell icon to receive a notification for each video. So the awesome profile picture is generated and there are many pics with beautiful background. You can adjust or rotate the picture. Second option is a hair of color for background. You can choose simple, fantastic gradient or magic color. The third option is of shadows, so your picture will pop out from the background to make it look more realistic. There are also beautiful and unique backgrounds for a specific profile picture. You can also download them in a high resolution and use them as a YouTube channel art or Facebook banner or Twitter header. This brings to the end of video. If you like the video, give it a huge thumbs up, and by sharing it with your friends. Watch another video here.
We are